Hello friends, in this video we are discussing bacteria and gram staining MCQ and microbiology. In this video we are discussing 50 MCQ of bacteria and gram staining. First 70 question of this chapter we have already discussed in the video. The link is provided in the description. 71 question is rancidity of stored food is due to the activity of lipolytic microbes. Option D is lipolytic microbes. 72 question is variance means incomplete particles. Option C is right, incomplete particles. 73 question is virulence of the microorganism can be reduced by virulence of the microorganism can be reduced by attenuation. Option A is right, attenuation. 74 is the test used for detection of typhoid fever. The test used for detection of typhoid fever is Widal test. Option A is right, Widal test. 75 is bacteriophage capable of only lytic growth is called. Bacteriophage capable of only lytic growth is called temperate. Option A is right, temperate. 76 is diphtheria bacillus is otherwise known as diphtheria bacillus is otherwise known as Klebsiella bacillus. Option B is right, Klebsiella bacillus. 77 is acridine dyes are more effective against gram positive. Option A is right, gram positive. 78 is in bacteria pigment bearing structure are chromatophores. Option B D is right, chromatophores. Option D is right. 79 is the procedure of differential staining of bacteria was developed by SC Gram. Option B is right, SC Gram. 80 is intermediate group of pathogen between bacteria and viruses, which are intracellular parasite are called. Intermediate group of pathogens between bacteria and viruses, which are intracellular parasite, are called Rickettsia. Option B is right, Rickettsia. 81 is Bacillus is an example of gram positive bacteria. Option A is right, gram positive bacteria. 82 is amoebic dysentery in human is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. Option D is right, Entamoeba histolytica. 83 is viral genome that can become integrated into bacterial genome is called prophase. Option A is right, viral genome that can become integrated into bacterial genome is called prophase. 84 is cytochromes are electron acceptors. Option C is right, electron acceptors. 85 is the cell having F plasmid in the chromosomes were termed as SFR. Option A is right, HFR. 86 is recombination process occurring through the mediation of phase is transduction. Option B is right, transduction. 87 is mordant used in gram staining is iodine. Option B is right, iodine. 88 is parasite form must contain cell wall. Option B is right, parasite form must contain cell wall. 89 is example for simple staining, differential staining, negative staining. Option D is right, none of these. Option D is right. 90 is following cocci are non-motile except Staphylococcus. Option A is right, Staphylococcus. 91 is Aspergillus fumigatus can infect animals. Option B is right, animals. 92 is enterotoxin responsible for food poisoning is secreted by. Enterotoxin responsible for food poisoning is secreted by Staphylococci. Option D is right. Staphylococci. 93 is autolysis is done by. Autolysis is done by lysosomes. Option B is right. Lysosomes. 94 is a facultative anaerobic is. A facultative anaerobic is ordinarily anaerobe but can grow in absence of O2. Ordinarily anaerobe but can grow in absence of O2 is a facultative anaerobic. 95 is the percentage of O2 required by moderate anaerobic is. The percentage of O2 required by moderate anaerobe is 2 to 8%. Option C is right. 2 to 8%. 96 is interferon is formed by. Interferon is formed by lymphocytes, lymphoblast, fibroblast. Option D is right. All of these. Option D is right. 97 is pigment bearing structure of bacteria are. Pigment bearing structure of bacteria are chromophores. Option D is right. Chromophores. 98 is spirochete is Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum. Option C is right. 99 is histones are found in eukaryotes. Option B is right. Eukaryotes. 100 is cell wall of gram negative bacteria is. Cell wall of gram negative bacteria is teichoic acid are absent. Teichoic acid are absent. Option C is right. 101 is cytoplasm streaming is present in. Cytoplasmic streaming is present in eukaryotes. Option C is right. Eukaryotes. 102 is the motile bacteria is. The motile bacteria is S. typhi. Option A is right. S. typhi. 103 is the stain used to demonstrate fungus. The stain used to demonstrate fungus is lactophenol cotton blue. Option C is right. Lactophenol cotton blue is used to demonstrate fungus. 104 is exotoxina R. Exotoxina are heat labile. Option A is right. Heat labile. 105 is the virus that attack bacteria are. The viruses that attack bacteria are bacteriophage. Option C is right. Bacteriophages. 106 is the size of virus particle may range. The size of virus particle may range 0.015 to 0.2 microns. Option C is right. 107 is the bacterial cell multiplication is usually by. The bacterial cell multiplication is usually by binary fission. Option D is right. Binary fission. 108 is rod shaped bacteria are known as Wechsli. Option C is right. Option C is right. 109 is all the group of bacteria have cell wall. All the group of bacteria have cell wall. Mycobacteria, mycoplasms, Clostridia, rickettsia. 109 option B is right. Mycoplasmas. All the groups of bacteria have cell wall. Option B is right. Mycoplasmas. 110 is thickness of cell wall range from. Thickness of cell wall range from 10 to 25 nm. Option C is right. 10 to 25 nanometer. Option C is right. 111 is teichoic acid and teichoronic acid are found in. Teichoic and teichoronic acid are found in gram positive bacteria. Option A is right. Gram positive bacteria. Mucosomes. Next question is mucosomes are principal site of respiratory enzymes. Option D is right. Principal site of respiratory enzyme. 113 is the characteristic shape of bacteria is maintained because of. The shape of bacteria is maintained because of cell wall. Option B is right, cell wall. 114 is bacterial capsule is chemically composed of. Bacterial capsule is chemically composed of polypeptides or polysaccharides. Option D is right, polypeptides or polysaccharides. Next question is the cell wall deficient form bacteria is. The cell wall deficient form of bacteria is L form. Option B is right, L forms. Next question is mucosomes are also known as chondroids. Option D is right, chondroids. 117 is the difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is shown to reside the difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is shown to reside the cell wall. Option A is right, cell wall. 18 is capsule formation occurs in the presence of serum. Option C is right, serum. 119 is the virulence determining antigens of microorganisms may be. The virulence determining antigens of microorganisms may be. It may be protein and polysaccharides, carbohydrate and protein complexes, polysaccharides, phospholates, protein complexes. Option D is right, all of these. Question number 120 is the last question of this video. You can subscribe our channel for more videos and like this video if you found this is helpful for you. Question is organelles with hydrolytic enzymes are. Organelles with hydrolytic enzymes are lysosomes. Option C is right, lysosomes. Thank you for watching this video.